Hello, everybody. Today we're doing an unboxing of Khadlaj Shiyaaka Sky. Now, this has been getting a lot of hype online. A lot of people have been trying to get their hands on it. And I actually was able to get my hands on one of the bottles that first came out. And I believe I've ordered this from Beauty Fragrance House. So I was able to find it on here. And as you can tell, they have the traditional box that is normally the same as any other Shiyaaka uh, out of the line and keeping that traditional lineup. But let's jump into it to see what this is actually going to smell like. And I just got this in today, so I'm really excited to see what this is. I was really hyped because I keep seeing it pop up on a lot of the other big fragrances guys' reviews or sites. And you get that traditional bottle with the same, outline that they normally have and everything else for the Shiyaaka. But let's actually see what Sky actually smells like. Mm, you get a very citrusy burst right out of the gate. It's really fresh, a little powdery on here. Super clean. It's a very super clean fragrance. I will say this is more of a more of an everyday scent. Or like Shiyaaka Snow and Shiyaaka Snow is more of like, because it is a meteor dupe, it does stand out immediately when you spray it. And Shadow, which is my favorite out of the line, actually has that initial grab of your scent and your nose, and you got something when you actually spray this. But this is more of kind of like an everyday scent. It's not like something that blows your mind. It's not a bad scent at all. It's not a bad fragrance, but it doesn't necessarily just pop out as something that, I must have or must grab. Let's actually see what the notes are on this one. So I already have them actually pulled up. So your top notes are going to be mandarin, bergamot, green accords are the middle notes, orange blossom, neroli, geranium, and then the base notes are musk, ambrox, sandalwood, and vetiver. So, it does give you, as far as like the scent palette, you're going to get citrus, a little green, and that powdery would be the white floral, I guess, that I'm smelling in here when I'm looking over the notes. So, and I guess that orange blossom and neroli. So, yeah, this isn't necessarily something that I would just immediately run for. The hype behind it, you know, it's not a bad scent, but um, I'll do a full review on it, give you more details on this one. It's still a good scent, but I think this is more of like an everyday scent. It's not anything that like blows my mind. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And as always, I'm Mr. Couts, the fragrance guy, helping you guys smell good without wasting your money. Catch you next time.